I live in Arizona.
Blur on my face.
And we're going to a mountain where we usually go and cliff dive, and it's usually full of water, and it's very hot, and it's gonna be full of snow.
Cliff dive.
Cliff dive into the snow. What's it called?
Cliff jump.
All right, well.
Say it.
Say it, you fucking pussy.
Chest.
Okay, I get it.
What nicotine has
But
turned
she
you guys to.
she gave me a menthol.
I gave you a menthol? No, I didn't. I gave you a mint.
Cookie. Does she need me as she breathes? Does she need me as she breathes? I'd like to know when we're in. Is this a
Dude, I love Alexis so much.
I'm just gonna pull
Look at her.
Dude, look it. No.
So cute.
We're gonna die.
Good job, Alexis.
going to die.
You're freaking beautiful. Look at you wore a little sweater for the snow day. Oh my goodness. Okay, so
not doing
the
this.
road
Look
is
at that
closed.
truck right there.
I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, so the road was closed, right? And there's this huge thing, but a Nissan just went through it, like a small little car. And we're in Kaya's car, and let's see how this goes.
No, you can't even see the road.
No, let's just see.
I
the-
can't.
Look
I
how
can see
slow the
line.
water is, though.
Look how low they're getting into it. No, we're not going. Stop. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Look, he's on the slanted side.
Do you want to walk across?
Okay, go all the way over there.
Yeah, and then like go with the current. So
We're gonna die. We're
Oh,
actually.
God.
We're going
I wouldn't go on
to
the
fucking
steeper
die.
side. Just go.
Just go.
A few inches later.
We're fine. Don't throw
He's like,
snowball
hi,
at the
dude.
car. Yeah, he's like,
Don't hit my snowball! Do not throw that at me. I will. I wasn't.
Oh my. Wow. Wow. What a
Hit the
man.
cactus.
Okay.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm trying to think about what to say. I'm a bad vlogger. Okay, because, you know, it's just memories. You don't have to... Anyways, I guess we're not sledding because we came to this area and we're on the side of a mountain, like basically the side of the road. Are you guys making a snowman? I've never made a snowman in my life.
wow, oh my
You
God.
fuck. According to Alexis, you fuck.
Alexis, let me just push your face in the snow.
Yeah, no, watch.
David Dobrik, do it for vlog. I'll pay you like 10 grand.
If I had 10 grand.
So it looks like a ball.
I don't have $1, so.
You have to round it off.
You're beautiful. Oh my god, look at the water!
Yeah, the water.
We could go to that if we just went up a little bit, like literally like 2 minutes more.
Ice.
But Self has to let his dogs out.
What?
I can't get over your jacket.
Got it from Disney.
Is that allowed?
Is that allowed?
It's on.
Oh my god! Oh, you fucking ass right now. Oh, bro. Dude, I'm gonna slip. Okay. Yeah, that's why me and Alexis probably gloves. I thought, no, Andrew, I thought I brought another pair, but I just have one more.
Holy
Have you seen the thing where you put your face in the snow and then your imprints there?
I
can't grab my hood. How the fuck is there snow in my pocket?
Ah, it's gonna be so cold in my pants.
Oh yeah.
Hurry up, just do it
I
quick.
know, for the vlog. Am I doing it right?
Yeah, yep.
Hit me in the face with it and kick your ass. Alright, it's... Not the Victoria's Secret, no. Okay, watch how bad this Jeep is gonna splash me. God. Oh, never mind. It was happening really bad earlier. We were all standing right there. You see all the mud? That's literally for mud. Look at that beautiful human being. I love Kaya. Kaya, I love you. Oh my god, look. Dilly. I'm just trying to get a damn glove.
One eternity later.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
You bitch!
I don't have gloves on. That's not fair. Why didn't you all bring gloves? Ow! Ah. Wait, hold on. Throw another one. Babe! Oh, I wanted to punch it.
What the fuck?
Okay, my hands are numb.
Okay, just in case if I get this up late, it's currently February 29th, about to be March, and it's snowing in Arizona, so the world might be ending. Just take a look at that. I'm the only one who came prepared today. I think it's because my family's from Canada. No big deal. I didn't even realize how I look. My eyes are beaming now. Just follow the trail. Andrew's a pussy. Pussy bitch, why am I with him? Just kidding, I love you. Imagine how much water is gonna be there when all the snow melts.
Ow!
If you think about it, we literally wear a bathing suit here sometimes.
I know. We're bathing suit out here?
Well, not right now, but like during summer. Do I look good?
Yeah.
Okay, Andrew thinks he's so funny, and he's sitting behind this bush while we're walking over here. He's sitting on that one right there. And watch, he's gonna throw it so hard, and it's a fat barrel. Oh, never mind, they're making a snowman.
Come here, Kaya.
Guys.
No! Fuck this shit, no! Oh my god! Oh!
Get in, shut it!
Look at this! He looks like a gnome.
Babe!
Here?
You ready?
For what?
Isn't it hot? No!
Oh.
No!
Did it.
They're gonna throw it off the mountain.
Oh.
I don't get it.
This is when me and Matthew are sitting down watching the edit. Or making the edit. Making them longer just for you.
2, 3. Oh, fuck, missed. Oh.
You guys missed.
That's gonna suck for them to drive on.
Watch. It's gonna splash.
You're a legend.
Thanks, guy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god,
my
we're
God.
floating! We're floating.
Dude.
Hydroplaning.
Oh my god, we're actually moving.
Oh my god.
Just kidding.
We just died.
Fucking road. Hi. I know you see me.
Get out of the road!
You Donald Trump looking head ass. Get out of my way.
He actually kind of.
Why did you?
Okay, she's pranking her mom. That never stuck.
You said the base.
Well, we wanted to play in the snow.
Okay, well, see what happens when you don't listen to me.
You know what? I'm just joshing you,
No.
Jan. Relax. No, we were fine.
She started earlier.
You're a brat.
My mom would literally explode.
No, are you
But
kidding me?
we
My
made
mom
a snowman
would be
and
like,
then we had a snowball fight.
idiot! Get your ass home right now!
And they're talking
No,
about what
and
their
then we'd be like, I'm stuck.
Are you fucking stupid?
And what?
Alexis and Lindsay are talking about what their moms would do if they pulled a prank on them like I did to you.
Would they be really mad?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I can't even prank my mom and act like I spill ink on the floor.
I'm watching a video, what?
That's not funny!
What just happened?
Get it off the floor before it leaks more. It's ink. Now it's stained. Everything's stained. Don't touch it. You get it on your clothes, it's gonna stain.
Love you. Bye.
Oh yeah.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
unplugged.
She basically was telling me like how my mom is when I prank her. She was like, "Well, that's your own fucking fault. You're stupid." That's how she makes me feel.
Yeah, like if you really were stuck, she'd just be like, you're stupid.
Oh my god.
Look at this. Now watch.
Excuse me.
Stop.
What is happening? What is this stuff out of the sky?
All right, story time. So when I was little,
Turn on the music.
I was like probably 4 or 5, and I was taking a shower with my dad, and I had one of those like Crayola like shower writing crayon thingies, and he was like, "Don't turn around. Whatever you do, don't turn around." And you know, I dropped the Crayola crayon,
On the ground?
on the bottom of the tub, and I turned around to grab it, and I saw my dad's pee pee.
Alright, go Kaya, show her what's up. Kaya, how are you so beautiful? Go Kaya, just throw yourself over. Babe! Do you want help, like, to push? Alright, now get me and watch, no problem. Oh! Kaya, let me see. Ripped your pants. And then I'm gonna put like the SpongeBob.
Fool who went and ripped his pants.
Oh. Oh, hey! That was fun! You have to make it all the way down. Kind of feels security. Oh my god, dude! Oh. They're fucking crazy.
Look at Andrew's dead.
Keep going, soldiers.
It's done.
No, because when Kaya fell, she looked at the camera and all these little, oh yeah, see? All those little ice slab things are falling, yeah, like over there. A bunch of them are. Oh, hey, it just did it. Oh, like just stand under it.
Just miss it.
Did it hit you?
No.
Oh.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see them.
And just let it hit you.
Disgusting. My butt. Stop! Burnt shit, dirt, and grossness is literally all up on that.
That's literally melting ice.
Mukbang time. Well, now we're at Jack in the Box. Hey, do you only got one?
I got two. Psycho.
Do I get one?
You want to go ask for one?
No, fucking ass, man.
You're bleeding?
The taco just cut me.
Oh.
I thought I was actually gonna get Kyle for a second. I'm good.
It's changing. Just think about it. If it's this cold now, and we're in winter, when it hits summer,
exactly.
It's
Why
gonna be
wouldn't it be
shit
just as
hot.
cold?
Because we're
it's
closer
not
to
winter.
the sun.
Exactly.
The
Earth is turning towards the sun.
We're tilted away from the sun.
That's why
Which
it's
makes
summer,
it
because
cold.
it's hot.
I
When we
know
go
that.
to
a lot
the
of pressure.
other
But when's the
side,
Already
last
knowing
time?
your
When's the last
knowledge.
time it ever smelled like this? Ever? Never. It's never smelled like this here.
It snowed twice this.
It snowed a few times. It snowed a few times last year, but
Look,
that was
it's like that
at night, and
Sunday
it
show.
melted as soon as morning came. It's been snowing for hours. It's the climate. It's CO2. It's nothing to do with the sun right now.
Are you sure it's
we
CO2?
are
Yes,
farther
I
away-
am.
We are
Mr.
farther
Boyd,
away
should
from
look
the
it
sun.
up.
We are farther away from the sun, okay? When we go on the other side of the earth, we're going to be closer to the sun, which makes it even hotter.
We'll see.
We will see.
I'm just grab my mouth.
I can
Me
really
too.
bet you $100. It's going to be 120 degrees
Like
right
the
in
top?
summer.
I know. Oh. I don't like right at the top.
Like
the
an
chip went
actual
like-
$100.
Let's see it.
I'll have
Let's
it.
see it.
You better have the money.
Why do you have to bet so high? That's not.
Because he's
Fucking
confident.
peasant.
So what? We're gonna see how hot it gets in the summer, and then that's the bet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stay tuned.
Okay. Bet. Okay, so we went all the way back to my house, and we cooled down, or we warmed up.
Warmed up.
Cooled down. God, why do I look so red compared to you? I'm red too. Look at my cheeks. I mean, you should have nicer skin. But and now we're back here. We went to Seacrest. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but look at like. This looks way better. See, we should have just came here instead. All right. Ready, Kaya? We're gonna go home. Let's go together.
Wait, are you laying down?
No?
Oh. Do you want to lay down?
No.
We should.
I'm scared.
It's not your bird.
Thank you. Okay, ready? Andrew, I'm coming right for you. Well, there's like a... Dude, there's no way I look like this. Me and Andrew just made a ramp, right? And this is gonna be Andrew's first time hitting it. No, Kai, let Andrew go by himself. Dude, how do we go like too far? Andrew. Andrew, you okay? Did your head hurt?
My back.
Puppy. Oh, that was cool. That was cool. Oh shoot! Here I go! Take 26. Oh my god! Oh my god! Keep recording.
Yeah.
Hi, did you lean at all?
Yeah. Just pull the side handle. That's where you want to go.
Oh hell! Oh shit! Just keep your feet on the entire time. Well, it's starting to rain now, so we didn't even get anything that cool, which I'm really upset about. Alexis left because she's cold. Got Arizonians in my right. Oh my! You're a disaster. When we were about to go to the car, my brother just randomly showed up, and I told him to hit it, and
I knew that was gonna be a
you're
bad
so
idea.
uncoordinated.
Shit, dude, my fucking hand.
This is a